Hi y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and today I'm going to do a traveling tree ring pour in red, black, and white. I am using Artist Loft Flow Acrylics for my red and black, mixed with Floetrol. My white will be Artist Loft Titanium White, mixed with Floetrol and water. I am going to be pouring on a 12 by 24 canvas, and I'm going to start layering my paint in this cup, and I'm going to start with black. So we're ready to pour this awesomeness on this canvas. I love this color combination. I did a red, black, and white several weeks ago, and my son just fell in love with it, so he got it for Christmas. So I wanted to do another one. Let's see what I would get. And I'm going to go loop-de-loop up the side. And I'm going to go loop-de-loop back down the other side. Going to add a little bit of black base to make the stretch flow easier. A little black down the other side. A little bit right here on the side of the canvas. And we're ready to tilt a little. And I'm not getting a whole lot of flow right here in this side where it's paint is not moving, so I'm going to add a little bit of the mixture there, and in that black space right there I'm going to add a little bit more to get the flow all the way to the side of the canvas. Now let's tilt this and see what kind of design we get out of this wild and wacky pour. And I am loving the design that's emerging on this canvas. Oh, I love it. Let's take you in for a close-up. These colors are so vibrant together, and I can't pick which is my favorite part on this canvas because each part of it is unique. The colors that are mingling together, the depth of the colors with each other, the swirls, the lines, the cells. It's just all beautiful. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, let me invite you to do so now. If you like this painting, the way it turned out, please give me a thumbs up. And if you ring the bell, you will get notifications when I upload future videos. And I do want to thank you for watching this one. Leave you with this final view. See you next time.